Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. In today's video, we're going to be making Mexican style loaded sweet potato skins. So let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need are Monterey Jack cheese, some diced tomatoes, some sweet corn, some black beans. You're going to need some Mexican style rice, some chopped cilantro, and the main ingredient, sweet potato skins, sliced. First things first, we're going to take our cooked Mexican style rice and put it into our bowl. Next up, we're going to put black beans in with our rice. Next up, we're going to be adding in some corn, and feel free to put as much as you like with your corn and your black beans. And after you put those three ingredients in, you're going to go ahead and blend them together. Now that is done, we're going to go ahead and put this to the side. Now here are our potato skins sliced. I did put them in the oven on 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. And now I'm going to start loading them up. So go ahead and get your rice, black beans, and corn and put them on top of your slices of sweet potatoes. Now, I didn't let you know at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to let you know now. I did find these potatoes at Publix. But you can always Google to see what other grocery stores in your area would have these sliced potato skins. And I did see them in another flavor. The flavor I had was roasted, but they did have another one as well. So if you have a Publix in your area, check out Publix. If not, Google sweet potato sliced skins and see if a store near you has them, because they are really cool and I thought they were different, so I decided to try them. Now it's time for the cheese. Monterey Jack cheese. Yes, go ahead and load up your sweet potato slices with some Monterey Jack cheese. Put as much as you want on it. If you're a cheese lover, then go crazy. Now we're going to put these potatoes back in the oven on 350 to 375 for about 5 minutes so that cheese can melt. And when they come out the oven, they're going to look like this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now we're going to start loading our plate up with these delicious looking sweet potato slices. I'm going to go ahead and put them on my plate. And then we're going to get started with topping them with some yummy goodness. We're going to start with adding some diced tomatoes on top. You guys thought I forgot about those tomatoes, didn't you? But I didn't. So we're going to go ahead and put some tomatoes on top of our potato skins. Now we're going to add some sour cream. We're going to top off our potato skins with some cilantro. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.